Did you know that over 70% of individual investors fail to beat the market? Crazy, right? If you're feeling a bit anxious about your financial future in 2024, stick around because we're diving into how you can flip the script on your investment game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Yahoo Finance, an incredible tool that can really help you master your investments. With everything going on in the economy right now, having the right resources is more important than ever. So, let's get into it. Alright, let's take a moment to talk about the reality of investing in 2024. It's not exactly smooth sailing out there. First up, market volatility. The stock market feels like a roller coaster these days. 1 minute your investments are up, the next they're plunging. It's enough to make even the most seasoned investors a little uneasy. Then there's misinformation. The internet is packed with conflicting advice and sensational headlines. With so much noise, it's hard to separate fact from fiction, and they can lead to some seriously bad decisions. Next, we have data overload. Everywhere you look, there's a flood of charts, graphs, and reports. While having access to all this information should be a good thing, it can actually be overwhelming. How do you know which data points really matter? And let's not forget about questionable financial advice. With so many self-proclaimed experts out there, it's tough to know who you can actually trust. Is the advice you're getting based on solid analysis, or is it just someone's opinion? Given all these challenges, navigating the investment landscape in 2024 can feel like trying to find your way through a storm. You need a tool that cuts through the confusion and helps you make informed, smart decisions. Now, let's talk about how Yahoo Finance can be that guiding tool you need. First off, their stock tracking tools are incredibly powerful. You can set up watch lists to keep an eye on your favorite companies and see how they're performing in real time. This means you're always in the know about the stocks that matter most to you, but tracking is just the beginning. Yahoo Finance also offers market trends analysis tools that let you dive deep into the data. You can explore historical trends and see how current events are impacting stock prices. This kind of insight is crucial when you're trying to make informed decisions. Staying updated is key, and that's where Yahoo Finance's financial news coverage comes into play. The platform provides up-to-the-minute news, so whether you're interested in earnings reports, economic indicators, or breaking news, you're always in the loop. And then there's the community and expert opinions. Yahoo Finance doesn't just give you the data, they also offer insights from industry experts and a community of investors. This helps you get a well-rounded view and make decisions with confidence. Finally, when it comes to ease of use, Yahoo Finance excels. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for both novice and seasoned investors to navigate and find the information they need. It's all about giving you the edge in today's fast-paced financial world. Now, let's talk about something that can seriously boost your investment strategy: personalized alerts. Imagine getting notifications about stock price changes, significant news about your investments, or even alerts when it's time to rebalance your portfolio. This feature allows you to stay one step ahead and make timely decisions without constantly refreshing your screen. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to your investments. Trust me, using these alerts can drastically improve your investment outcomes. So, to wrap it up, Yahoo Finance is an amazing resource that empowers you to take control of your investments in 2024. By utilizing its features, you can navigate the complexities of the market with confidence. Don't let the challenges get you down. Leverage this tool to make smart, informed decisions. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you used Yahoo Finance? What's been your experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more investment tips, don't forget to check out my next video on advanced investment strategies. See you there.